Their lives again, their light of coolest, 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 their lives again. So now I'm about to add these wefts into this. Sorry, my chair. Ooh, she tired. She tired. Okay, so I'm about to add all 4 of these wefts into this unit. This is how it looks before. So just straight out of the box, it looks like this. This is Kinky Curly Hair by Luvwin. This is their 13x4 DIY density, like adjustable density type of wig. And basically you can just create the density that you wish to have with this wig. So you can start off with, I believe, 150 and go all the way up to 210. Out of the box, which is this, it is 150 density. So I really like this texture. This is like kinky curly, and you know, me being black. So this is just how it looks. You see, it's like kind of see-through. You know, it's pretty much see-through. It's just a hook and latch type of method, just so that you know. You have 4 rows, and you're gonna add all 4 of these in, or 3 or 2 or 1, just to your liking. It's options. You know, you do have options with this. You don't have to just take it for what it is straight out of the box. They are giving you options. with our 4 bundles installed. It's really giving like black girl natural, okay? Like, I'm here for this. Like, I really, really like this. One thing that I do want to mention is the shedding. I did notice some shedding with this. It's just something I just want to throw out there, that I did notice shedding, but still, nevertheless, very, very nice. It's still very full. I definitely don't feel like the shedding that I saw would over time take away from the density of the unit. It's not just drastic like that, you know, it's not just a lot, but it's worth mentioning. Yeah, really, really lightweight. As you saw, just water. I have some conditioner in here, so this is some conditioned water. And then my Marc Anthony Strictly Curls mousse, my hot 6 oil for just some added moisture, and that's pretty much it. With this type of unit, I feel like you're getting like 2 wigs in one, so to speak, just because you get it straight out the box. But then if it's not to your liking, you can go back and adjust it to your liking. So you're kind of getting like 2 wigs in one with this unit. All their links and coupon codes and everything will be in the description box down below. I want to thank Luvwin for sponsoring today's video, and I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Catch you guys in my next one. Bye.